Your following Road Women Warriors contest is scheduled for one fall. Over a 20-minute time limit, your referee, Larry, keep the peace.
She is the Roppongi rock star, Kaitlin Diemond, back in Rogue action. Diemond, of course, disqualified for spitting wine in the face of LaVista in her last Rogue appearance, Ryan. That's unique.
James, that was back in November of 2016. It's been that long since we've seen Kaitlin Diemond back in a Rogue rig.
She has been in demand, has been traveling the world since then. Most recently touring her native Canada, also the UK and Germany. So a lot of eyes on Kaitlin Diemond, and she says she's going to keep her eyes on that ringside fan for some reason. And she's noticeably without the Ribera jacket tonight. I'm a little saddened by that.
Yeah, it's a little warm though, perhaps.
Well, yeah, but the Ribera jacket trumps all.
Of course, coming to us from Toronto, Ontario.
Training.
Oh, she's doing the fans.
Well. Here comes Riley Shepard. Riley looks like a character out of a fantasy video game, looking to have a much more realistic win here tonight. Not just racking up kills in Fortnite. Looking to have a better night than she had in her Rogue debut, where she was, well, maced by Gillette, leading up to a win for London Ali that evening. And, I mean, anyone who follows the sport really can't count that against her.
No, I mean, that match was definitely London Ali and Gillette. Comes the crazy one, Willow Nightingale.
Crazy awesome, my friend. Crazy awesome. Full disclosure, I'm a big Willow Nightingale fan personally. She has a huge personality, an infectious grin, and she's a hell of a wrestler. Let's be frank about it.
She absolutely is.
When we last saw Willow, there's a hug for Carolina Jim. There's, bonus.
She gets no love. Good for that.
Well, I'm even guilty of that. Poor Jim.
5'8", 148 pounds, the Roppongi rock star, Kaitlin Diemond. Participant number 2 from Evermore in the Mystic Realms, standing 5'3", weighing 135 pounds. She is the gladiator of the geeks, Riley Shepard. And your third participant, fighting out of Long Island, New York, standing 5'7", weighing 170 pounds, the babe with the power, big hair, and bigger smile, Willow Nightingale.
There she is, Ryan. The babe with the power. The power of voodoo. You say voodoo?
Voodoo?
You do.
got big hair and a bigger smile. Willow Nightingale. Not sure Kaitlin Diemond's doing any smiling though right now.
Kaitlin Diemond, how could you describe her personality? Caustic, I think would be the best way to
That's a really good
say it.
word, absolutely. And the gladiator of the geeks, Riley Shepard. Well, sounds we're underway.
Kaitlin Diemond. Kaitlin perhaps the most muscular of the three, or at least the most obviously muscular. Look at that shoulder girdle of hers. She has that big swimmer's kind of upper body composure.
Not only did she not shake their hands, she absolutely not. Oh, here we go, James. Look at this.
Three-way Greco-Roman knuckle lock. Test of strength here. Diemond. Some of that strength showing off here.
Let's go.
Oh, and the wave. I don't know where this wave will crash, but I don't think it's going to be good.
I feel like I know where this wave started.
Ah, Willow. Diemond having none of it.
Oh, that was close.
Put on the double low kick. Diemond without a leg to stand on here. Double Irish whip. Diemond off the ropes, hangs on, and is gonna go take a low road and be in Scotland before you. Is it the high road?
I'm not sure what road that was.
She needed to stretch. Yeah, stretching is very important.
All right, looks like we're gonna get some Riley Shepard, Willow Nightingale. Riley, of course, from the Enchanted Forest, Willow, Long Island, New York.
Willow trained under Stockade, notably. Stockade, who's had some pretty crazy battles with Twisted Tate here. And Willow has some recent big wins on her record over singles competitors like Maria Manick and Kira Hogan, so
Absolutely.
yeah, don't be surprised if you hear her name again very, very soon. Perhaps in an infographic on your television set, or via streaming service, what have you. Speaking of which, we have a streaming service, Ryan, I should mention.
Do tell.
Yeah, well, on Atomic Championship Wrestling, if you look for us under ACW Pro Wrestling, there's a big shoulder block, acwprowrestling.hipshare.com, you can find this match tonight, once it's edited and ready to go, alongside much of our history. As Riley Shepard dives out of the way. For the low, low price of only $5 a month at this point.
Oh, that's cheap.
For barely the cost of a cup of coffee at Starbucks, at least a Trenta. You can catch up with all the action here in Atomic and Rogue, and I hope you will. Meanwhile, Willow Nightingale dishing out some punishment here.
Willow firmly in control of this. Can't forget about Kaitlin Diemond standing on the outside, though.
Willow hanging on to the lock. Perhaps looking for the three amigos. Kaitlin Diemond can see it coming. Can Riley Shepard? She can. She's trying to block. Diemond now. Rear waist lock into a German suplex.
There's the strength.
And Diemond.
Kaitlin Diemond.
Letting her competitors have it with some.
The intensity here from Diemond.
I don't think cares about making friends or fans tonight. Cares about getting the W. And you can see it in her style. Really,
Shoulder deep into the midsection there.
I know it's an old chestnut, but very little wasted motion here from Kaitlin Diemond. Russian leg sweep. Into the pin on Nightingale, who kicks out. Riley outside the ring trying to collect herself. Is Diemond thinking about Uranage perhaps? Willow elbows her way out. Stumbles into a super kick. This Kaitlin Diemond. Here's the pin.
Shepard in to break that one up. Wow. You'd think without Shepard there, Willow would have taken this one.
Shepard trying to extract a measure of revenge for that German suplex. Step up high kick and Shepard following up here. Oh, face buster!
Smashing the face of Kaitlin Diemond there.
Diemond up but on wobbly legs. Right into Riley Shepard with a missile drop kick. Diemond nearly flattened. Here's the pin. Nightingale was too far away to do anything. Mercifully for her sake, Diemond picked out a two. Oh, there's a jawbreaker. Diemond or Uranage. Oh, sit out. Sit out Uranage. Diemond's got it. No.
Kind of a lackadaisical pin there from Diemond.
Nightingale throwing Riley out. Catches Diemond. Fisherman. Suplex. Beautiful with the bridge. He's got her. Oh! A fisherman suplex that would have made Kurt Hennig proud gets the job done for Willow Nightingale tonight in this triple threat match.
Impressive standing here from Willow Nightingale.
A great win for her, unsuccessful against Angie Sky, previously in Rogue competition. Now the great win over two competitors at once, Willow Nightingale. Expect great things from this young lady in the very near future.